I am challenging a list which purportedly has been issued pursuant to orders of the Honorable Supreme Court, although it will be appearing from that particular order that it has been issued upon a concession made by the learned senior advocate. So therefore, my lord, my first contention would be that the language of the list, first covering letter, is erroneous. Now, my lord, first kindly comes to the impugned list, 281, volume 2. And takes note of the numbers of the list. My contention is that this particular list does not include the persons who have been found to be tainted, but have included persons who have not found to be tainted. That is us. And the persons who have been found to be tainted are the persons who had been appointed after expiry of the panel, which has been severely criticized by the Honorable Supreme Court. Kindly seize first the list, 281. This is the list, impugned list before your lordship. May I just place the list? I'll come to the order of the Supreme Court later. In compliance with the order of the Honorable Supreme Court of India dated 28/8/2025 in the matter of such and such, the list of candidates as mentioned in list 1 is attached below, who were selected, whose selections has been set aside by the Honorable High Court and confirmed by the Honorable Supreme Court, is hereby published in the official website of the West Bengal's Central School Service Council in order to place the list of such tainted candidates in public domain. Now kindly comes to the last page of the list to see what are the numbers. My name is also there. 300, yes, 1804, 313.
So your name is there in this?
Yes, my name is there. That is the challenge. I am saying that this list is erroneous. 1804 are the numbers. Now, my lord, kindly comes to the Honorable Supreme Court judgment.
There is another list. Next page.
Next page is the list which has been sent to the counseling centers of the same persons with indicating the numbers, so that if these persons come, please don't allow them to participate in the process. Now, my lord, kindly comes. This is the list that I have shown to your lordship, is the list containing the names. Now, kindly comes straight away to the, well, first kindly comes to the affidavit of the commission filed in the first round of litigation, and thereafter I'll draw your lordship's kind attention to, my lord, the the Supreme Court order. Kindly comes to page 100 and page 48 onwards. First, may I just demonstrate before lordship who am I? 2 pages, page 39. This is to substantiate, this is petition number 2. This is to substantiate that I am an impaneled candidate. Kindly see there, result status impaneled, general.
Yes.
Next is the petition number 2. Kindly comes to page 41. This is to substantiate that I have not given blank OMR. This is the OMR sheet. Now she would see I have not submitted blank OMR, because that is one of the categories. Page 41 and 42 are the OMR sheets. Thereafter, my first appointment, which has now been cancelled. Now kindly comes to the affidavit of the commission in the first round of litigation before the Honorable Division Bench. One remark, page 51, this is the affidavit which starts from page 48. This was before the Honorable Division Bench presided over by the Honorable Justice Devanshu Bosak, which had cancelled the entire selection process. This is the affidavit. Page 51 are the statistics which has been given. Last, all identified rank jumping cases are post expiry of panel.
Where you are reading?
Page 51, remark portion in the first here.
Yes.
All identified rank jumping candidates are post expiry of the panel. Why I'm showing this? Because to substantiate that they had not given a a specific list of the persons who were in this post expiry of panel. Now kindly comes to page 139. This also formed the part of that particular affidavit. There they had disclosed one list of candidates. Kindly see the top list of candidates called for 8th phase counseling dated 3/8/2020. Kindly takes note of this, the date and the 8th phase counseling, because I will be trying to substantiate before your lordship that by the order of the Honorable Supreme Court, the counselings after 1 year of the expiry of the panel are all bad, because that will
Go
be
and seek the clarification
Why?
from Supreme Court.
Supreme Court has said so. That clarification is already there.
Supreme Court orders are on record.
Yes, that is what I'm.
Now,
Yes.
Mr. Lahiri, don't make an argument which is totally different from what was argued in the various ranks of litigation.
No, this argument
the
this has been
learned
upheld.
What had the learned judge said? That this issue which you are agitating is a subject matter in a pending application before Supreme Court. So now if
Another
your
point also that the Honorable Judge has said.
Please
I'll-
listen.
Yes.
If your argument is that this I am not covered by that,
Yes. And someone else who was covered
Someone
has
else
not been included.
which you are showing,
Yes.
this has to be argued before the Supreme Court.
If-
Supreme Court has said
Sure.
that no tainted candidate should be allowed. Now this issue is pending, it is not a denial. That issue is pending.
My
Why
humble
you are
submission is
seeking
this.
repeated dismissal of your case?
Why I'm saying because
You should
the-
go to the Supreme Court and say that, my lord, we are
Kindly-
not in this.
yes.
Kindly interview list is over. You kindly reserve 2 vacancies for us and hear our matter.
Now,
Finish.
yes. I can do that. But before that, my lord, kindly, my lord, if I can
So,
convince your
Mr.
lordship.
Lahiri, you first satisfy us. Is this fact wrong that the issue is pending before Supreme Court?
No.
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 So you want participation on the examination which is scheduled on 7th.
Yes.
If we dismiss the appeal, you won't be able to participate. That is the urgency involved.
Yes.
Now, today, Mr. Lahiri, when the judge, upon noting your submission, says that there is no dispute about this fact that Supreme Court is in session, how can I pass the order?
No, I understand, but the Honorable Judge has also said that these persons who have been identified as tainted, and has been specifically said by the Honorable Division that these only 3 categories are tainted, are not conclusive.
To say that before the Supreme
This
Court,
there is a finding which I have to overcome. That is why I am before your lordship. Kindly allows me 10
single
minutes.
judge is not superior to Supreme Court.
Yes,
So
but my lord,
whatever
kindly.
he has made,
Yes.
he has ultimately relegated, saying that I cannot be asked to pass any order at this stage.
But
since
there are findings. That is why I am troubling your lordship. Otherwise, everyone knows by 7th I will not be able to go to Supreme Court. So therefore, I am before your lordship.
everyone
By 7th, we will not be able to go to Supreme Court.
doesn't matter. If the interview
That is why I am before your
No,
lordship.
it doesn't matter. Did the Supreme Court say that irrespective of pendency, you allow everybody to appear?
No,
So when it has not been said,
No.
Mr. Lahiri, how we can impinge upon such observation?
my contention is that Supreme Court has also said that persons who are tainted should not sleep in.
Very good. That
Yes.
that is your
I am
strong
trying to
ground.
I am trying to substantiate that.
No, don't substantiate before us. Go and substantiate before
I
Supreme
will.
Court.
If I cannot substantiate, if I fail before your lordship, I may. Well,
On the basis of the 365 paragraph,
363.
66 or whatever,
Yes.
the Supreme Court has denoted only 3 categories. No,
Not Supreme Court, division bench,
whatever it is.
and upheld by the Supreme Court.
So I do not come
within that three categories.
Very good.
Yes.
When you do not come under the three category, who will give the verdict? Tell us. Is it not the Supreme Court? That Supreme Court, upon considering your argument, will give the verdict that yes, these teachers are not coming within those three criteria. Not coming within those, so they ought to have been allowed. Supreme Court has not injuncted against your admit cards were issued. Today you are in a
Admit cards
position
have been cancelled.
issued and cancelled.
Hmm.
Now, when the Supreme Court again took up the matter, the observation of the council appearing for commission was also recorded that
Yes.
no, it is not restricted to three categories. So Supreme Court said, all right, we will consider.
That is my contention, that it has been restricted to three categories in a division bench judgment. Subsequent division bench judgment passed by the Honorable Justice Somen Sen, presiding over the bench, and that has not been taken into account by the Honorable.
Categories earmarked, he does not fall with
Lists. The expiry panel starts from
the list published by the commission.
mathematics. Apparently, the list doesn't
Counseling will be called
within
of which candidates? No.
of the impaneled and waitlisting candidates.
Right.
Yes.
So those who have already been included within waitlisted category, can their appointment be challenged on the ground that they are post expiry
They
panel
have been
holders?
challenged. Back. Now this has become a rule. We have, my lord,
Be
accepted. that.
careful making submissions. Be careful.
No, in respect of our matters, all others. From first day, my lord, from 2022.
Yes. Next point.
Now page 181.
Only one thing I clarify, it's not that. Supreme Court has very clearly said tainted candidate